Hello everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. today today I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of things to do. So I am eating breakfast right now. I'm loading some carbs and some matcha because I need that energy. So today I'm going to the new apartment to clean, and after that I am going to buy the mattress so that when we move we have the mattress already, and water dispenser because we need water. That's very important. So yeah, those are the things that I will do today, and some work to do also at the same time. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my breakfast, and I hope you don't mind to come along with me today in this day. I'll see you guys later.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to